sells seashells by the seashore.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Say it.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore again.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Seashore.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
Sally sells fail.
Sally sells
Sally
seashells.
You said seashells too. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Seashore.
Seashore.
Seashore. Seashore.
Sally sells
seashells
by
the
seashore.
Sally seashells.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
Very good.
Now say what show you were watching the other day.
No.
Yes.
What show were you watching?
The Real Earth. San Diego.
The Real Earth? I've never heard of that.
It's a good show. You should watch it.
Say it, World.
What was it?
World.
I'm not talking.
What was it? It was the Real World, right?
Yep.
Well, come on, tell me.
Nope.
Tell
Dee Dee, please.
I don't want to.
Once.
You put it
Say
on.
poodle. Poodoo.
You can't say poodle either.
No, it's poodoo.
Poodle and Earth. I mean world.
Or noodle. Or Google. Google.
Google. Now say world.
I'm glad we have an interpreter here.
Beautiful.
Now say
Stop videotaping me.
No. Say poodle and world. Out loud to where we can hear you.
No.
Doo-doo and noo-doo. So she says it, poodoo.
Dee Dee.
Get away from me.
Come on.
Say world.
Road.
And
Poodle.
Doo-doo.
what?
Poodoo.
Seriously?
Poodoo. Poodle.
You're saying voodoo.
Two poodoos. Poodoos.
Oh my gosh. That's hilarious.
Bye.